Good day po mga bayang karerista. August 12, 2026, Wednesday at PJCI. Start time at 5:30 PM. Yung mga pa-shoutout niyo po sa araw ng Wednesday, nasa dulo pa rin po. Start na po tayo, race number 1. Start po ng winner take all, races 1 to 7. Distance 1,200 meters. Dito po sa race number 1, pag may mga kursunada po kayo, dahil race number 1 to para di kayo malaglag. Kung may mga kursunada po kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang po, lalo na't mga dihado, kung may makukursunadahan kayo. Dahil tong little BT boy na to, ito para po sa akin sa race number 1, sosolohin ko na po to. Kasi pagkakaalam po yung naglubatos to, tapos tumakbo kagad ng stake race to kala Rapido. Pangatlo sa datingan to, halos dikit lang din sila ni Yani Yanalas. Tapos pang-apat yung si Black Eagle, medyo malakas ang tinalo na ito sa datingan. Kaya tingin ko para po sa akin dito sa race number 1 na nakakalamang tong numero 5 na to. Little BT Boy. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko dito, in-upload ko po yung last run nito ni Little BT Boy para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung sosolohin nyo po ba o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya po sa race number 1, tong numero 5 na to, Little BT Boy, para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po.
And the gates crash back. They're racing now. Slightly inconvenienced at the jump was Little Bitty Boy. Rapido came out running. Yana Lass began well on the inside. Now, Black Eagle's in a good spot, but here's Confident Surge surging across from that wide gate and looking for the lead as they run by the winning post the first time. And it is Rapido under a tight hold. He's a narrow leader. In second spot now, Black Eagle, and that makes Confident Surge racing 3 deep and 4 deep on the outside of Confident Surge is Calling Dexter. Now, long gap then to Yani Lass and Little Bitty Boy as they run by the 1,300 metres and head towards the back straight. Rapido on the inside, a narrow leader from Black Eagle, about 5 in advance of Calling Dexter. Confident Surge on the inside of Calling Dexter. 10 back then to Yani Lass, and Little Bitty Boy is the tail ender as they sail by the 1,000 metres in the third leg of the Hopeful, and it's Rapido. Rapido extends that lead, strides away by 2.5 lengths. Black Eagle being hustled up in second. Calling Dexter is getting third on the outside into third spot, then Confident Surge. Yani Lass is a long way back with Little Bitty Boy as they start the circle 750 metres out. Rapido's gone further ahead. Rapido, 650 metres to go, is away by 6 from Black Eagle. Calling Dexter, he's under pressure. Likewise, Confident Surge. Yani Lass is getting a move on from the back and making ground very rapidly by the rail, and then came Little Bitty Boy, but it's Rapido, and he's still travelling sweetly around the bend for home. 5 in advance. Yani Lass has worked up to second. Then Black Eagle, nothing coming from the back. Rapido, he's only kidding at the 150. He hasn't moved a muscle, and he's 5 in advance of Yani Lass, and it's all Rapido. Rapido wins the Hopeful by 7. Yani Lass second. Little Bitty Boys come from the tail of the field to run third. Black Eagle was disappointing, and just crossing the line together was Calling Dexter with Confident Surge.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Start po ng pick 6, races 2 to 7, distance 1,200 meters. Dito sa race number 2, dito na po yung pick 6 carry over na hiniwalay nila last week. 721,724.04. Yan po yung carry over na paglalaban-labanan bukas. Dito sa race number 2, tingin ko magulo tong race number 2 na to, yung start ng pick 6 carry over. Kaya pag may mga kursunada po kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang po para hindi po tayo kagad ma-out. Ang primera ko dito, numero 3, yung bagong kabayo, Dance All Night. Ito si Dance All Night, tingin ko tago-preba na ito. Pero ang layo nanalo na ito. Yun nga lang, nagpreba lang siya ng 1.16. Tingin ko pag hindi maganda sinalida ulit ni Wicked Ways dito, tingin ko baka makasolo air ito si Dance All Night kasi tingin ko mabilis na kabayo to. Problema lang nito yung peso, medyo bumigat, 57. Pero pag walang humabol dito, tingin ko laki chance na ito manalo. Numero 3, Dance All Night. Second choice ko na rin yung numero 1, Bossing Ray. At si Bossing Ray, ang ganda ng tinakbo nito sa PJC sa lasaran niya. Tercero to, halos dikit-dikit lang sila ni Crunchy saka ni Point of Balance. Kaya tingin ko, pag naghabulan yung mga mabibilis dito, papabor dito sa numero 1 na to, Bossing Ray. Problema nga lang ni Bossing Ray pag yung salida niya. Pero pag maganda sinalida na ito, tingin ko ito pwedeng umupset sa kanila. Numero 1, Bossing Ray. Tapos third choice ko na rin yung Nayamado Lasaran, pumang-apat. Wicked Ways. Pag ito maganda sinalida, tingin ko malaki rin chance na nito manalo. Numero 6, Wicked Ways. Lasaran nito hindi maganda sinalida. Kaya hindi nauna. Kaya natalo. Pero pag maganda sinalida nito, tingin ko malaki ng chance manalo. Numero 6, Wicked Ways. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko dito sa race number 2, in-upload ko po yung lasaran nito nila Bossing Ray, Dance All Night, Wicked Ways, para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 2, pang-primera ko, numero 3, Dance All Night. Second choice ko, numero 1, Bossing Ray. Tapos third choice ko, numero 6, Wicked Ways.
Off and running and left in a fair line with the exception of Desert Spy. He might have got chopped out at the start, coming out quickly on the inside as Point of Balance. Taken on immediately though by Cranji, and they're 4 and 5 in advance of Bossing Ray, who scoots up on the inside. I Dominate in the centre, and wider on the outside Casaluna. Now Wicked Ways, your favourite, is back at the tail of the field as they run towards that top turn, 750 out. And the leader is Cranji, taken on by Point of Balance the outside, and right on the back of them then is Bossing Ray, who's trying to sneak up on the inside of Cranji. About 4 back, Wicked Ways is making steady ground. Then came I Dominate at the tail of the field, Casaluna. In fact, there's one behind Casaluna. Desert Spy is an absolute mile back. On towards the home turn, these two going together. Point of Balance the outside, just been shaded by Cranji. There's a mile of room on the inside for Bossing Ray. Wicked Ways, your favourite, is under the stick and 5 lengths off them at the 150 in the centre. Cranji kicking away on the inside. Bossing Ray is not done with. Cranji, Bossing Ray on the inside. Cranji has a narrow lead. Cranji is going to hold on, and Cranji has beaten wide out Point of Balance. Bossing Ray third, then came Wicked Ways, followed then by well back behind them then was
Racing. It's a good start for two runners. Dance All Night. It's a sharp start by 2 lengths from Surf Campaign. Heading towards the 1,000 meter pole, it's Dance All Night by 4 lengths now from Surf Campaign is 13 second. Heading towards the midway point, it's Dance All Night by some 6 to 7 lengths now, and remains in second is Surf Campaign. And around the fourth turn, it's Dance All Night is still a big gap from Surf Campaign. Towards the last 600 meter pole, it's Dance All Night. Pulling away from Surf Campaign, still in second. 400 meters out, it's Dance All Night. Leads the field by some 7 to 8 lengths and remains in second in Surf Campaign. And at the top of the stretch, it's Dance All Night. Leads now to a double-digit rock from Surf Campaign. 100 meters left to go. It's all Dance All Night. Dance All Night by some 7 to 9 lengths. And at the line, it's Dance All Night wins the Novato. Beats Surf Campaign. Last to check in through all the way.
Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Start po ng pick 5. Races 3 to 7. Distance 1,200 meters. Dito sa race number 3 na to, talaga medyo magulo rin to. Kaya pag may mga kursunada po kayo, dagdag nyo lang po. Pang-primera ko dito yung galing sa panalo, numero 7, Dig Deep. Tingin ko pag ganun pa rin ang tinakbo niya last run, tingin ko pwede makaulit ng panalo to. Numero 7 na to, Dig Deep. Tapos second choice ko na rin yung numero 1, Deep Down. Tingin ko pag naghabulan sila, Complacent, and Butterfly, Dig Deep sa unahan, tingin ko papabor dito. Numero 1, Deep Down, mag-aabang lang to. Tapos third choice ko yung long shot na nanalo, si Goat. Tingin ko pag naghabulan sila, baka pumabor ulit dito at makarimate ulit. dirimating kabayo to si Goat. Kaya tingin ko, pwedeng umupset ulit sa kanila to. Baka madihado pa rin to dito kahit galing sa panalo. Kaya po sa race number 3, pang-primera ko numero 7, Dig Deep. Second choice ko yung numero 1, Deep Down. Third choice ko numero 2, Goat. Sa race number 4 na po tayo, start po ng pick 4, races 4 to 7, distance 1,200 meters. Dito po sa race number 4, pag may mga kursanado po kayo, lalo na't mga dihado, dagdag nyo lang po kasi itong numero 4 na to, native public, ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 4. Soloyin ko na po to. Nalalamangan ako ngayon dito kasi yung mga kinakalaban nito matataas. Halos nasa stake race tong kabayo na to. Kaya tingin ko, dito sa grupo na to, lamang na lamang to numero 4, native public. Lasaran nito kahit kala California Queen. Ganda ng tinakbo nito. Kala Imagination. Kaya tingin ko, lamang dito to. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko dito, in-upload ko po yung lasaran nito ni native public. Para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung sosoloyin nyo po ba o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya po sa race number 4, itong numero 4 native public, para po sa akin, sosoloyin ko na po.
Off and racing. The 3-year-old stakes, locally bred stakes has just begun. Ikaw ang pag-asa sprinting full lead. Showing speed to the other post is Animo Magnolia. Running beside the rally is California Queen, followed by Native Public. Crucial is next in line. Darorian Sari Sultan Bell. Imagination in between horses, followed over by Lady Outlaw. Running second last in Yellow Silk Solid. And last of all is You Can Battle Me by some 12 to 13 lengths from top to bottom. Round the 3/4 mile pole. And as they make the first turn now, it's California Queen is the leader by 3/4 of a length. Contested now by Animo Magnolia. Running in third by a length of the leader is entry number 1, Ikaw ang Pag-asa. 4 lengths for the back in fourth position is Native Public. Crucial is still in fifth position. Then taking the sixth spot now from up the pace is Solid. Then running beside the rail in yellow silks with blue cap, that is Sultan Bell. And from up the pace now taking the fourth last now is Lady Outlaw. You Can Battle Me is next in line. And last of all now is Imagination. Down the backstretch run. And it's still California Queen is still a pace setter against Animo Magnolia, and pass approaching. Taking the second spot now is Native Public. Dropping off now is Ikaw ang Pag-asa. And running on the outside fifth now, moving in the contention. Crucial, Solid in the hard wheel and closing in. And a bunch of runners from up the pace now closing in on the outside is Imagination from last position. Quarter of a mile to go, and it's still number 6A horse California Queen is still the leader. Native Public now racing on the outside, giving a challenge, and a big one in yellow cap. About 60 is Imagination, and it's still California Queen. Imagination moving up down on the outside, but California Queen is looking a winner now here. California Queen takes the 3-year-old locally bred stakes, beating Imagination. Close for third among 3 runners. You Can Battle Me, Lady Outlaw, and Native Public, followed by Solid. What a fantastic race here, and what an effort for number 6A horse California Queen under John Alvin Guse. Let's take a look at the slow-mo replay.
Sa race 5 na po tayo sa last DD plus 1, distance 1,200 meters. Pampremera ko dito, numero 7, Margo. Ito, bigyan lang ulit na importansya na may-ari ito. Tingin ko may panalo dito to. Numero 7 na to, Margo. Basta isabay lang kagad sa unahan. Tapos second choice ko, numero 1, Bishop Blue. Ito, bigyan din ng importansya na may-ari ito. Tingin ko may panalo din to dito. Numero 1 na to, Bishop Blue. Tapos third choice ko, yung nagbabalik na numero 2, Static. Static dito, magaling din to dito sa pista ng PJC. Kaya tingin ko ito pwedeng umupset sa kanila. Numero 2, Static. Kaya po sa race number 5, pang-primera ko pa numero 7, Margo. Second choice ko numero 1, Bishop Blue. Tapos third choice ko numero 2, Static. Sa race number 6 na po tayo sa last double, distance 1,200 meters. Pang-primera ko dito, numero G, Storm Landing. Tingin ko ito mauuna dito. Ganda na position niya, nasa dulo. Kahit marami mabibilis dito sila, Jack 14, Winter on Fire, Parisian Life, Giselle Touch. Tingin ko ito mababandera dito. Mabilis na kabayo kasi ito eh. Numero 10 na to, Storm Landing. Ito pag napabayaan sa unahan, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera. Numero 10, Storm Landing. Tapos second choice ko, numero 4, Lilibel. Baka bigyan na importansya na may-ari ito dito. May panalo to dun. May panalo rin to dito pag naghabulan to mga mabibilis dito. Di sunod na kabayo naman to si Lilibel. Basta bigyan lang ng importansya. Inaayaw lang kasi to eh. Tapos third choice ko, numero 9, Pandihado. Buntay Shore. Ito pag maganda sinalida na ito, tingin ko isusunod din tong kabayo na to. May bilis din naman to at naisusunod. Tingin ko ito pwedeng umapsit sa kanila. Numero 9, Buntay Shore. Kaya po sa race number 6, pampremera ko po numero 10, Storm Landing. Second choice ko po numero 4, Lilibel. Tapos pandihado ko numero 9, Buntay Shore. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 7, bago nga pala ako magbigay ng info ko dito, makikiusap ulit sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko at pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 7, sa last forecast, sa mga paratingan ng mga winner take all, sa pick 6 carry over, pick 5, pick 4, DD plus 1. Pag may mga kursunada po kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang po kasi medyo magulo itong paratingan na to. Alam niyo naman pag paratingan, minsan nagkakalokohan. Kaya pag may mga kursunada kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang po. Pampremera ko dito yung mga bagong kabayo. Numero 1, Nimbus Cloud. Tingin ko baka pwede na makarimate rito. Saka yung grupo na binagsakan nito, tingin ko kaya niya. Kaya pampremera ko to. Tapos second choice ko yung numero 2, Ashes to Ashes. Ito bagong kabayo lang to din dito. Kaya tingin ko may panalo rin to dito. Tapos third choice ko yung numero 7, Spaghetti pababa. Ito Cambio Jinete, Valdelema. Tingin ko laban to kaya may panalo dito to. Numero 7 na to. Spaghetti pababa. Kaya po sa race number 7, pampremera ko numero 1, Nimbus Cloud. Second choice ko numero 2, Ashes to Ashes. Tapos third choice ko numero 7, Spaghetti pababa. Yun lang po and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos nito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Jun Buscas. Pinapa-shoutout yung Popoy's OTV. Nga pala sa mga taga Popoy's OTV at lahat ng bayang karerista dyan na mananaya sa Popoy's OTV. Shoutout po sa inyo. Kaila Boss Teban, yung OTV owner. Shoutout po sa inyo, Boss Teban. At sa din Sir Jun Buscas, shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Manuel Tandes. Pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung pinsan niyang si Boyet Flores at yung kumpare niyang si Robbie Santos ng Galas QC. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Boyet Flores at Sir Robbie Santos at Sir Manuel Tandes. Shoutout po sa inyong tatlo at maraming salamat po.